What's up guys, back at it again today with another 4Runner mashup. Thanks for tuning in. We have a few cool 4Runners to show you, so let's start off with this white one here. We previously installed a King and Camberg lift setup on this 4Runner with other goodies like the Morimoto headlights, Prinsu, full roof rack, Baja design light bar, and more. Well, it's back again today, this time for a C4 Low Pro. We are a stocking dealer for C4 Fabrication and have these bumpers in stock and ready to rock. Sorry guys, we just don't ship them. We know people don't like to wait, as these are usually built to order, so we've ordered a bunch of them in and powder coated them all, so you can skip that long wait. This C4 Low Pro winch compatible bumper was built with a full height bull bar, which allows the TPMS equipped vehicles to function normally and not have any issues. We have the 30-inch cutout on here that we're installing an amber Baja design S8 light bar on as well. We also keep the high clearance side editions and windshield washer tank skids in stock also. C4 does not ship these powder coated, so we use one of the best local powder coaters we know and have them ready for you. We installed a Warn VR Evo 8S winch on this one with a control module relocation kit. We also use a Factor 55 Fairlead with a FLATLINK-E, which stands for expert in red. These are closed-end shackles that bolt right up to the Warn winch's synthetic rope. If you're looking for something like this for your 4Runner, give us a call or send us a message by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Next up, we have a Lexus GX460 that's coming in that we've previously done a King setup on with Camberg upper control arms. We did the Method NV wheels on here in bronze with some KO2 tires, and it's back today for some CBI goodies. We're installing the front CBI Covert bumper. We love this bumper for the GX as they fit in so well and smoothly with the GX's factory body lines. It also comes with built-in recovery points and is winch compatible. Swinging over to this 4Runner, we've installed a TRD skid plate that was powder coated black. We've also installed a set of Baja Design Squadron Sport wide cornering lights that have gone into the factory fog light pocket and can be turned on with the factory fog light switch. This will definitely help with some of that nighttime visibility out on the trails. If you're looking to upgrade your fogs to something like this on your 4Runner, Tacoma, or Tundra, check the link in our description. We have plenty of these in stock and they are ready to ship. After carefully taping up the lines for the bumper cut, using our template that we've created, our tech is now ready to do the cut, so there's no turning back now. In addition to the Covert bumper from CBI, we're also installing the CBI rock sliders. These bolt on to the factory mounting points and serve as two purposes. One, to protect the vehicle when off-roading over some rough terrain, and two, as a small step to assist you in entering the cab. As our tech is cutting and prepping the stock bumper for install, our other guys are unwrapping the Covert bumper and getting it ready to be thrown on. We're also installing the CBI front skid plate that blends in perfectly with the Covert bumper. When completed, they will blend in perfectly from bumper down to the skid while protecting your precious components. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We try to publish videos on here multiple times a week, mainly of Toyota trucks, so if that's what you're into, subscribe and follow our journey here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in the city of Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Next up, we have another 4Runner that's in for a C4 Low Pro winch bumper. We're doing the high clearance side editions on this one as well with the windshield washer tank skid, Warn VR Evo 8S winch, and a Factor 55 ULTRAHOOK in red. And to get some extra storage space, we're going to remove this basket that they have installed on top of this 4Runner, and we're going to be installing the Westcott Designs Low Pro full roof rack. We are an authorized stocking dealer for Westcott Designs. We stock their rock sliders, roof racks, and some of the suspension preload collar lift kits. So if you're looking for a shop that has products in stock so you don't have to wait for that usual built-to-order products to be built, look no further. We're happy to announce that we now have a second location used strictly for storage and warehousing. We'll make a video of that one soon. With everything taped up properly, we're ready to jump right in and cut this bumper. And while all the cutting is going on, our other tech will prepare the C4 bumper to be installed by installing the winch and fair lead on it and mounting up the BAJA Designs S8 light bar. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Offroad. And that's a wrap for this 4Runner. We're gonna bring this one out now and pull in a different one. Here's a silver 4Runner that we just did a high clearance bumper cut on. Next up, we have this 4Runner in magnetic gray metallic that's in for a Fox 2.5 factory race series coilover and shock setup for both front and rear, cambered tubular X-joint upper control arms, Old Man Umu lift springs, fuel vapors in a 17x9 with a +1 offset in a double dark tint finish with some 285/70/17 BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrains. And last but not least, or maybe, we have a magnetic gray metallic TRD off-road 4Runner that's in for a Bilstein 5100 setup. We're doing the 5100 shocks all around with some Old Man Emu lift springs for front and back with some SPC ball joint upper control arms. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're keeping the TRD Pro wheels that it came in with, but upsizing it to a 285/70/17 Toyo Open Country RT. That's pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell also. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.